Howler monkeys are the most widespread primate genus in the Neotropics and are among the largest of the platyrenes along with the muroids, the spider monkeys and woolly monkeys. These monkeys live in Central and South America. At home in the forest, they hardly ever leave the treetops. They don't move very far each day, feeding leisurely at the very top of the forest canopy. Howlers mainly eat leaves, as well as fruits, nuts, and flowers. Howler monkeys get almost all the water they need from the food they eat. One of the few times they can be spotted on the ground, however, is during very dry spells when they need to find extra water. Howler monkeys have prehensile tails, or tails that can grip. The monkeys use their tails as a fifth limb to grip branches. Mostly it uses its tail to help grip branches as it eats and moves around high in the trees. Each family group is generally made up of 15 to 20 howlers. The leader is usually an old male. The head and body of adult howler monkeys range from 22 to 36 inches, 55.8 to 91.4 centimeters, long, and their tail can add 23 to 36 inches, 58.4 to 91.4 centimeters. Though most species are classified as least concern, the Yucatan black is endangered. These vocal primates are the biggest of all the New World monkeys. Unlike Old World monkeys, howlers and other New World species have wide, side-opening nostrils and no pads on their rumps. Howlers also boast a prehensile tail. They can use this tail as an extra arm to grip or even hang from branches. No Old World monkeys have such a tail. A gripping tail is particularly helpful to howler monkeys because they rarely descend to the ground. They prefer to stay aloft, munching on the leaves that make up most of their diet. Howler monkeys have beards and long, thick hair which may be black, brown, or red. The red howler species is the most common, but it is often targeted by hunters eager for bushmeat. Other species of howler monkey may be critically endangered over sections of their ranges. Howler monkeys live throughout several countries in Central and South America. They are most common in the northern and eastern countries where forests are more abundant, such as in Brazil, Ecuador, Colombia, and Costa Rica. They often live in forests along the coast, which makes Brazil and Costa Rica ideal because of their coastlines. Howler monkeys are found both in lower elevations and in mountain forests. The howler monkey life cycle is similar to that of other mammals, animals that give birth to live young and nurse them. They grow as a fetus, or unborn baby, inside the mother for about 6 months. This is known as the gestation period. Then the baby is born and grows up. Female howler monkeys reach maturity at about 3 years old, and males at about 3.5 years old. They are independent after about 4 months, so they spend several years as immature adults in their birth troop. Here, immature adults are independent, but they cannot yet have babies of their own. Once they can, they become mature adults. Assuming they reach their full lifespan and are not eaten by predators, howler monkeys live, on average, about 15-20 years in the wild. They have been known to live up to 25 years in the wild.